Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Today, everyone thought the Nifty will break out. The Nifty has been trading between 24,500 and 25,200 since May 12. May 12, now it is June 24. It's almost 5-6 weeks. For the last 5-6 weeks, Nifty has been trading between 24,500 and 25,200, but it is easier said, but practically it was too volatile. 3 times Nifty broke 24,500 on the downside, 4 times Nifty broke 25,000 on the above, 25,200 was broken 2 times only. And today, there was a ceasefire between Israel and Iran, and then crude oil fell, and then rupee appreciated by about 75-77 paise. And people thought, so there is every ingredient for the markets to break out. And in fact, market has broken out. But don't know what happened. There was a severe selling at the higher level. Compared to the Asian markets, most Asian markets were up 2%, but we were up only about 1% in the morning. In the morning itself, there was a big selling, 150 point fell, then again 200 points shot up, again 150 point fell, again 100 points shot up. And our markets are becoming just too volatile. And this much volatility is very, very difficult. So at the end of the day, the closing was disappointing one. But however, one consolation is that the Nifty managed to close above 25,000. But the intraday players have lost heavily because of the huge volatility. So today breakout, it is a false breakout. The market has come down. And despite so many positive things like, like Iran problem, rupee appreciation, and all those kind of things. Yesterday, as well as today, the broader market were doing better. It is only the index heavyweights that's coming under selling pressure. Surprisingly, today, Reliance is the one which has contributed the most number of points on the downside. And however, other banking stocks have done well. Even the Bank Nifty has fallen about 500 points from the intraday high to intraday low. So this was just too volatile, but markets are still consolidating. So we do not know. So far, Nifty has taken out 25,200 2 times, but never closed above 25,200. So maybe we can see the day when Nifty closes above 25,200. So we can assume that the uptrend may continue. Today morning also I told you the markets are consolidating. The longer is the consolidation, the next leg of the rally will be more powerful. That's number one. Number two, after the consolidation, markets will either break out or break down, but the probability of breaking out is very, very high. So, of course, option sellers, they depend on the time value and then manage to make some profit or manage to lose some money. That's a different story. But positionally, US markets are also looking good. And there is, I think Nasdaq has hit fresh all-time high today, I think. I'm not 100% sure, I have to check. But if you look at the future, definitely it has hit. The spot I have to check. And because since I'm trading in US market, so we trade usually the futures only. Even the S&P 500 future also, today's high is very, very close to all-time high. When I say today, the market has not been open, but the thing is, in US, it trades for 24 hours, almost. So I'm talking about the future trading of the market time. So, sooner or later, the markets are likely to break out. And for the last 2 trading sessions, the index heavyweights have not been doing well. So maybe one day, index heavyweights may take the front seat, moving the mid cap and small cap to the back seat. The volatility index has come down, so I think it's likely to continue to move lower. But one word of caution, the volatility index is in the lower end of the trading range. Normally, it's about 13 to 19, but now it is 13 plus, below 14, so very close. So this is not the time to sell naked options. Maybe you can consider a combination of options. Maybe, once I think on June 8th or 9th, I tweeted some 4 strategies, and one strategy I discussed last week. So maybe this week I will discuss 1 or 2 more strategies. But in fact, it was a paper trade. In fact, I've taken some of the trade, but then in between, because of this Israel war, so I just got out. But I'm the guy, never take a position and sit down. I just keep adjusting here and there. So because of that adjustment, sometimes I make more profit, sometimes I make less profit, and that's a different story. So these things are given only for educational purpose. So by the way, I'm planning to conduct a workshop in Chennai and Bangalore. So you can look at the description for the details. So if you're interested, you can subscribe to the workshop. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.